Hey, everyone, how's it going? So I have this new Meta band display from Meta. And if you're not familiar with Meta, they make um, video camera glasses. Ones that Apple was supposed to make, but they made that ridiculous virtual one. And nobody really is buying it. This is the Gen 1 Meta. This you can customize the lens to be prescription or not prescription. You can also do transition and anti-reflective and anything you need for prescription glass you can do with the Gen 1, Gen 2. The problem with the Gen 1, Gen 2 is that it doesn't have a display. Not that it's a problem. If it's your first time trying the Meta RayBan video photo glass, definitely consider the Gen 2. The Gen 2, the reason is because you can record in 3K. Also, the photos looks better. The Gen 1 is 1080p. So this is the original. Then it came Gen 2, and this is the new display. If you want this display, then this is your only option right now. It is the most expensive. It's similar to the Gen 1 with longer battery life. So the issue with the Gen 1 is the battery life only lasts 1-2 hours with video recording and a photo being taken consistently throughout those 1 to 2 hours. It should last 4 hours if you only occasionally use the video once or twice and maybe photos a few times and then use audio. It doesn't last too long. You do have the case that charge, but then you constantly have to take it off and charge it for 15-20 minutes before you can reuse it again. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Whether this is worth it or not, this depends on your need. So the price for the display is $7.99, and then they have this Teen Tech recycling or whatever that you have to pay for. So that adds another roughly $9 plus the $10 recycling. So subtotal comes out to $882.91 with tax. So pretty hefty price for this display. But if you really want the latest gadget from Meta with access to the newer band, you can actually control the glasses with this display. You can't do it with the Gen 1 or Gen 2. I would recommend getting the Gen 2. It is more affordable. It's about $350, but the battery life lasts up to 7 hours. So almost double of the Gen 1. Don't go for the Gen 1, would not recommend that. And Gen 2 has everything you can do with the Gen 1. It's just better camera. You get 3K video recording, better resolution for photos, and also the battery life lasts longer. It also has a better case that can charge up to 2+ days. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is how it looks like. So to open this, let's see here. Usually there's a tab that I pull right here. Here's a tab. So you basically pull this like that, and this should slide out. So I have a little slot here. Slide this out. This to the side. So this is your newer band. Comes in a separate box. It does come in sand or black color, so you only have 2 choices, but at least you have 2 choices. Instruction manual. Warranty card. So it comes with 1-year warranty. And that is about it. Let's see, do you need to charge this? Yeah, you do. It comes with, it should be a USB-C. USB-C, but this is special to be able to charge. So if you lose this wire, you're pretty much SOL. So don't lose the wire to charge it. Should last quite some time, maybe a couple weeks of use, I believe. So this line here face you, so face you. So that's the indication of how to install, or not install, but place this on your wrist. So you do place this on your wrist. So this is magnetized, has a lock mechanism there, so you can slide in and out. So that when you place this onto your wrist, it doesn't slide back in or back out. So it has that lock mechanism. So that's pretty cool, and it's magnetized. So to charge it, just it's magnetized in the back here as well. Then you plug this into your USB-C block. So again, you want to place this facing you. So they have 3 sizes. That's why it's very important to go get it fitted. This is size 1, but it does have size 2 and 3. I'm more of a size 2, but 1 just feels better once it's on. So let me go ahead and move this aside. So that's my health monitor. So I just place this through my hand just like that, and then pull this back, lock it, and it's magnetized. And you can control the actual device by tapping your fingers, rotating your wrist, and it's really pretty simple to use. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the actual glass itself. So the glass itself, it comes in 2 sizes, standard and large. This should be the charging cable for the case. So another USB-C, but this is USB-C to USB-C. Very convenient. You have a Meta microfiber cloth to clean your glass lens. You have your user manual, warranty card back here, and here's the actual case. There's a USB-C plug to charge the case. This feels really premium compared to the Gen 1 case or Gen 2 case. It's real leather, also magnetized. And this case does charge the glass itself. And it opens flat, just like that. So here it is. So one is a lens, one is a light indicator. So here's the lens, here's the light indicator for when you're recording or taking a photo. Some people would drill that out just to turn off the light. You can see there's a slight line there. This is where the display is on the right lens itself. So here's mic. You have your speaker. Same thing on both sides. Here's your switch to take a photo. Hold it down for a few seconds to take a video. Here's your line indicator to fill when you're turning up or down the volume. It's on the right side. And also swiping between music by tapping. Meta logo right there. Also right there. Your electronic certification on the right there. Serial number on the left. So they only have the gloss finish in black or sand color. Sand color is more of this box color. So I do prefer the black, but this does get scratched up pretty easy over time, but you know, gives it character. That's how it looks like when it's closed. Compare that to the OG Gen 1. Slightly wider and also slightly longer. Comparison wise, the height slightly higher for the large. The standard should be similar to the height of the Gen 1, Gen 2 wafers. So hopefully this video helped you decide on getting a Meta glass, whether it's Gen 1, Gen 2, or the display. We'll do more follow-up videos on the uses of this. It has mixed review, but if you're just want to record, take videos, take photos, go for the Gen 2, especially ones that need prescription. If you don't need prescription, display is also a good choice. Check out, link in the description right below. Catch y'all next time.